Hi, welcome to Junior Leadership Conference. This is an overnight leadership camp to help middle schoolers get started with some leadership activities and get to meet other youth from all across the state.
We're super excited to get the weekend kicked off.
This weekend we're having our Junior Leadership Conference, and it's a great way for middle schoolers to meet people from around the state and learn leadership skills, these kind of soft skills, public speaking, things that will stay with them for their whole life. And it's just a great experience for them to have fun away from their parents too as well.
So we've got 103 middle schoolers and a whole bunch of youth leadership team members, and we're getting the opportunity to teach them about leadership and communication and all sorts of things that are going to help them out in their future.
This year we're learning about mental health and how your mental health has to do with your leadership and how you can be a better leader with better mental health. So it's just a wide variety of skills that leaders use every day in different capacities.
We've talked about mental health and made fidgets and talked about the different stages of rocks and different stages of leadership.
Learning about leadership is important to me because you can take charge and show other people how leadership works and use it for jobs and anything else in your life.
Leadership is good because people can help you get through things and you can help other people get through things.
And to clear thinking, my heart to greater loyalty, my hands to larger service, and my health to better living, for my club, my community, my country, and my world.
Well, the most exciting thing for me is learning how to be a leader with new people that could possibly be my friends in the near future.
The people are kind, it's a safe environment, and it's just diverse with many people.
This conference is fun, and it also teaches you about leadership.
The older youth get to teach and pass down their knowledge they've learned throughout 4-H to younger youth who will hopefully come up and take those places and hopefully lead these conferences and be the leaders of tomorrow.
A lot of their perspectives are very interesting to me, and I find that they end up teaching me a lot, even when I'm technically the one who's supposed to be teaching them about leadership.
They're very talkative with us. Some of them were a little bit shy, but yeah, I think it's been going good so far. I think everybody's being great, and I really love it.
Come to JLC, it's so much fun. You meet so many new people from all over the state. You can really make lifelong friends here.
It is full of remarkable things that you can do.
Having to stay overnight in a hotel is pretty cool. By yourself without any parents.
If you have the chance, I would do it because it is really fun.